Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Managing hold point inspections without an efficient process can be time-consuming and challenging, especially when coordinating inspectors, engineers, and clients for critical site visits. With Dashpivot, you can streamline this process by automating workflows and notifications to ensure all parties involved are informed. This keeps your inspections on schedule and your documentation accurate. Let's take a look. In Dashpivot, you can create a hold point or witness point template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's just run a search at the top here, and you'll see the format that we have currently available. You can preview this before add this to your workspace, but keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added to your account. With the template ready in your account, you can start filling out these inspections digitally. Our standard hold point inspection template includes fields such as the date requested, various text fields for information, a drop down for the task or process, photo section, and various signature fields for approvals. There's also a little client review section here for whether it's released or not released. Once saved, the form will be organized into stages like this. This is what we call a workflow template, which progresses the form through various steps, with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. For example, you can set up the second column for whoever is supposed to verify or to sign off on the document at that stage. This is to ensure that relevant parties stay informed at the correct stage. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature. So the first signature button here will allow the form to move from stage 1 to 2. Search this as an example, and you'll see that the form has been moved from contractor section to project verifier. All forms are automatically compiled into a register, where all information from all fields are laid out in a table format. You can also use filters available to filter or search for specific forms. From here, you can also export these data as CSV or download as PDF files. Editing the template format is easy if you do need to change the input required from your team. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag and drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of the fields within the builder as you see fit. On top of that, you can ensure that important and unique information is captured properly and not duplicated when cloning a form. This can be done through the individual field settings, so you can actually make fields required, which means that you won't be able to save the form unless these fields are filled out. You can also implement logic for various fields, such as the yes/no fields, lists, and the approval signature as indicated by this little symbol here. This is a conditional logic so that you can control your document better. For example, the first signature field here, only the person that creates the form allows to sign or reset the particular workflow, while the second approval signature might use or require different types of conditions. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. Photos are crucial for hold point inspections as they provide visual evidence of the completed work before it is inspected, ensuring transparency and accountability. These can be found within the forms and in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when you're looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app and if you have enabled GPS location. Hold point inspections can be created and submitted using your phone or tablet. The forms are organized in a workflow just like on the web access. You can continue working on any of the existing requests or create a new one using that plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app or you can choose from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, you'll then have the option to mark up the photos to highlight details. And if you have created tags, they can also be applied during this step for easy filtering later on. Once completed and you need to share a copy of the document with others right away, you don't have to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics, storage, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for hold point and witness point inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.